In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add priority to tasks in Asana. Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add priority to tasks in Asana, step by step, so you can quickly see what needs attention first and keep your work moving smoothly. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and heading to the project where your task lives. Working inside the right project keeps everything organized, and it makes it easier to scan priorities later across the task list. Once you're in the project, click the specific task you want to update. This will open the task panel on the right side of your screen, where you can see details like the assignee, due date, and description. At the top right of that task panel, you'll see an icon with 3 dots labeled More Actions. Click that to open the Options menu. From the menu, choose Add Tags. Tags in Asana are a simple and flexible way to label tasks, and they work well for visual priority markers. In the tag field that appears, type the priority level you want, such as high priority, medium priority, or low priority, and press Enter. If your team has used that tag before, it will show up as a suggestion. Select it to stay consistent. If it hasn't been created yet, pressing Enter will create the new tag on the fly and assign it to this task. Consistency is key here, so try to stick with the same wording for all tasks. That way, everything lines up neatly in your list and search results. If you have more tasks to mark, repeat the same process. Open the task, use the 3 dots, select, add tags, and type the priority. It only takes a few seconds per task, and the time you invest now will pay off when you're scanning your board or list later. Once added, the priority tag will appear directly in the task panel and next to the task in your project's task list for quick reference. This visual cue makes it easy to spot critical work at a glance. Tags are also helpful for filtering and reporting later, so using a clear set of priority tags will make your project much easier to manage. That's it. Quick, clean, and effective. You've just learned a reliable way to indicate urgency without changing your task structure. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.